everybody, Nicole here with CellBotics, and with me I have Surera Ward. I'm so excited about this news. So we have a new location in Philadelphia. Surera is the trainer, but she is not new to CellBotics. So she sat in our seat multiple times. We trained her years ago, and then she's worked with us on other projects. Even being a speaker and doing a demo at the Gadget Repair Expo for watch refurb, which is something I can't even do. So it's pretty impressive. She's got a lot of knowledge and a really high skill set when it comes to repair. And so we're going to just talk for a few moments this morning. She's actually on-site training a live class with 9 people.
Down in terms of the efficiency, and when it's at 80 but says 100, you don't have that full battery, okay?
And doing amazing. I think the class absolutely loves you. I think they've learned a lot. They got to pick her brain about Apple Watch refurb, which everybody loves. And so we're about to do iPads, and we're going to do diagnostic. But a little bit about you. So you used to work a job.
Yeah, so I had a job in software development before I started in the cell phone repair
How long
industry.
ago was that?
Yeah, so it was about 4 years ago.
And how long were you doing that for?
15 years. So it was a career. It was a long-term career. It wasn't something short. And, you know, it was no hands-on at all. So some people may think if they haven't had a hands-on job before, they can't do this. Right.
So you may think, if I don't know anything about technology, this isn't for me. And CellBotics is the place for that. This is why we're so unique and so different, is because we don't work with technicians. We work with people that are not technicians and help them either start this as a business, maybe a side hustle in addition to the job you're currently doing, open multiple locations. Maybe you have a job that you're going to go into, maybe you in the IT field. Yeah. So, I mean, anybody can do this. You don't have to have IT experience or anything, okay? So let's talk about how you started with repair. So you started mobile.
Yep, I started mobile, fixing phones in my car.
So how did you determine, okay, it's time for me to go get a space?
Yeah, so basically when my profits began to increase, I was making about $2,000, and then it just began to continue to increase. And at that point, I knew that I was in a good market, serving a good market, and that it could be a good opportunity for full-time income. Awesome. Okay. So how long did you do mobile? It was probably about 1.5 years.
Okay, and then you opened your store.
Yes.
Okay, and so Surera is generating around $15,000 a month revenue at her stores. You're in a subsidiary area of Philadelphia, right?
Yep. So it's kind of suburbs outside of Philadelphia area. Yes.
But it's only 18 minutes from the airport.
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah,
okay,
so
so to get to the classroom, so it's in her store. And this is the thing, is that when you go to register, you actually can do an add-on where you can work with her for a couple of days at the end of class. So you can actually work in a operating cell phone store, like do intakes and help her fix phones and deal with customers and take phone calls, right? So definitely check that out, because that's something that we've never had the ability to do. And so I'm super excited about that, because I know a lot of people watching are like, wait a second, I don't know what it's like to work in a store, and I want to learn, but I really would love to go work somewhere. Well, now you can do that. Exactly. So it is an extra cost, but check that out. It's well worth it. So the training is in her store. So you're actually going to be in a live store setting training. So this is really awesome. And she has tons of experience. So you guys are going to learn a lot. So get on over and book. Don't wait. No matter when you're seeing this, just go onto the website. Look for the registration options. Just click register now. Go ahead and book. If you have any questions, let us know. And you can reach out to her if you want to. You just go on our website, contact us, and everybody information is there. Like and subscribe, and we hope to see you in class.